after your maths class, now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. So what we have done in EVS in the previous class? We have learned about seasons, how we do different activities in different seasons, what all things we enjoy eating in different seasons. See class, we don't like eating hot chocolate, you can say we don't like taking tea and coffee in summers. Similarly, we don't prefer taking juice, cold drinks, ice drinks in winter. And when it is rainy outside, we love eating corn cobs, pakoras, but that we don't like eating on a very hot day. When it is very hot outside, still garam pakoras, I don't think so anyone likes to eat it. So our eating habits, or you can say the food that we like to eat, changes according to the seasons, isn't it? This is what we have learned about seasons. Apart of that, we have also learned that in which month of the year we observe these seasons. When is summer season coming? When we have rainy or monsoon season? Then when we experience winter season, like we experience winter seasons during December and January month. Clear? So as the October month has begun. So we right now autumn season has begun. When the days are hot but nights are cold. दिन में गर्मी होती है because of sun, but at night we feel we can feel a fall in the temperature. What I can say कि बाहर का मौसम थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाता है. We prefer taking a bed sheet when we are sleeping, a top sheet, or you can say a cover. We cover ourselves when we are sleeping at night. Nowadays we have started using our air conditions less. Summers में we prefer switching it on every now and then, है ना? Now when we have come out of rainy season, or you can say summer season, अब autumn season चल रहा है, तो we are using our ACs little less. Clear? So change in weather, change in season keeps change in our habits. Clear? So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn the spellings of the three seasons that we have learned till now. Clear? So which are the three seasons that we have studied? Summer season, rainy season and winter season. So we will write their names. That is the work you are going to do in your notebook. So we'll first do that. Then with that we are also going to draw a picture of any two things that we eat or we do in rainy season, winter season or summer season. Clear? So let's begin with our work. So the first season that we did was in our previous class, summer season. S-U-double-M. So double matlab two times. So one M is this. Again you will write M-E-R. Summer. S-U-double-M-E-R. Summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. So this is summer season. Clear? Let us repeat once again. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Summer season. Clear? So what all things you like in summer season? The most important speciality is mangoes. See, we don't see mangoes in any other season, only in summer season, isn't it? It is the king of fruits. So the best memory I can say, when it is summer season, the first thing that clicks me is mangoes. सबसे पहली चीज जो summer season की बारे में बात करते हैं, the thing that comes the first is mangoes, isn't it? So first I'll draw a picture of mango here. So like this we'll draw a picture of mango. Clear? So this is one picture. Now what else you prefer in summer season? An iced drink. It can be a juice, it can be a cold drink. So a drink which is all full of ice. Thanda thanda ekdam, isn't it? Okay. So I'll draw a glass of juice here. And this glass of juice is also having some ice in it. Yes, without ice though, it won't be a summer, na? If it is summer, ice has to be there, isn't it? So summer season means something we have ice in it. Tabhi to maza aayega. Okay? Great. So the first season is summer season, and the things that comes to my mind is mango and a drink which is full of ice. So if you want, you can draw anything else like watermelon, or you can draw someone wearing a swimsuit and want to go for swimming. So whatever activity or whatever things you like about summer, you can draw that. Clear? Okay. Moving to the second season we did is rainy season. So the second season we did rainy season. Rainy season. So R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. So rainy season is also called monsoon season. So we can write that name also, monsoon season. Clear? It is also called monsoon season. So what we like about rainy season, what clicks to your mind when I say rainy season or a monsoon season? See, rainy season is coming. So what comes to your mind? An umbrella, a raincoat, a frog, a paper boat, a beautiful rainbow, isn't it? All these things comes to our mind. So what I can draw, what we are going to draw is first a paper boat. Okay? So we'll draw a paper boat. Very simple to draw. Clear? And we'll draw some water also. As this boat is rowing in the water. Okay, one is paper boat. What else? It can be an umbrella. It can be some pakoras. It can be a corn cob. Clear? So I draw a corn cob. Okay? See how we are going to draw a corn cob. Like this. First, then make a stick of the cob. Then the leaves, the covers, or you can say. Clear? Now draw some little corns on it. How we are going to do that? Draw some slanting lines on it. So like this we have drawn a corn cob. Clear? So it's a corn cob you can draw, or you can draw a beautiful rainbow of all the 7 colors in it, or you can draw an umbrella, a raincoat, a cloud, a rain falling out of cloud. So anything you want. Yes, you can draw a peacock. Peacock is also related to rainy season. I told you, no, when it's rain, peacock open their feathers and they start dancing. So anything you feel like to draw, you are free to do that. Clear? Okay. So the first 2 seasons we did is summer season and rainy season. And rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Now moving to the third season we did is winter season. Yes. W-I-N-T-E-R. So pronounce it winter. Winter season. Winter season. So the third season that we have learnt is winter season. Clear? So now when we are talking about winter season, what clicks to your mind immediately? When you are talking about winter season, okay, winters are coming. ठंडी का मौसम आ गया है. So what clicks to your mind? For me, it's a cup of coffee, a hot cup of coffee sitting in my blanket or my quilt in a cozy, comfort atmosphere with the heater on in my room. Isn't it like that? So first I'm going to draw draw is a cup of coffee. So this like this, a hot cup of coffee. Clear? So one is this in winter season. What else? It can be a bowl of soup, or you can say soupy noodles. Maza aayega na? Hot soupy noodles denge mama. So we can enjoy our noodles also. So fine, we'll draw a bowl of soupy noodles here. With some vegetables, some breadcrumbs in it, and wow, again it's a hot soupy noodles. So see, it's so hot, the steam is coming out. Wow, isn't it great? Isn't it? Garam garam milk, garam garam soup, then soupy noodles, not only soup, noodles in it. Then we have hot chocolate, then we have coffees, we have teas. When we are getting served with something really hot, कितना अच्छा लगता है, isn't it? So in winter season we prefer taking hot food, hot things. Understood that? Okay. So what we have learned the names of 3 seasons. So what you are going to do today, you are going to write them in your notebook. You are going to draw some pictures. You can take these pictures, or if you want to draw something else that you like, you can draw that. Do this work in your notebook. How you are going to do? I'll show you, but first let us revise once. Summer season. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Summer season. Next we have R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Rainy season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Rainy season, which is also known as monsoon season. ठीक है? So M-O-N, monsoon. S-O-O-N. Monsoon season. Clear? Next we did is winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Winter season. Understood that? Okay. So do this work in your notebook. Your today's homework. Do this work in notebook. Clear? So I'll just show you how you are going to do this work. First see, and after that complete your work. Clear, class? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's EVS work in notebook. Clear? So first we are going to write today's date, that is 6th October 2020, and this is our today's classwork, so we'll write CW. Clear? So what is our today's topic? Topic is season's name. So we'll write S-E-A-S-O-N-S. Season's name. N-A-M-E. Name. Clear? Like this we'll write our topic. Then next we are going to start with writing the name of different seasons. So the first season that we have done is summer season. Yes. So we'll write S-U-M-M-E-R. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. So class C, here I have not written S. यहाँ पे S इसलिए लिखा है कि in this topic we are going to write the name of many seasons, isn't it? But here I have not written S because summer season is only one. So after writing the name of summer season, we are going to draw pictures. So as I told you, I'm going to draw a mango. like this, and a glass of juice. So if you want, you can draw watermelon also. So this is a glass of juice, and it is all filled with ice. Don't forget to draw eyes. I love it. Okay, so next that we have the next season that we have learnt is rainy season, or you can say monsoon season. So number 2 is rainy season. RAINY, rainy season. SEASON, season, rainy season. So when we are talking about rainy season, what clicks to your mind? A paper boat. Okay, so we'll draw a paper boat and some water for it. Then a corn cob, or you can say an umbrella. So here I am going to draw an umbrella like this. Clear? Okay, now the next season that we have learnt is, yes, which is the next one? Winter season. Yes, WINTER, winter. SEASON, season. So the winter season. So what comes in your mind when we are talking about winter season? Yes, class, it can be woolen clothes also. It can be some soup, some coffee, some hot chocolate drinks, anything you can draw here. So let's draw a woolen cap. So how you're going to draw? First draw a U shape like this. Then join it like this. So this is the furry part. We'll draw a ball here like this, and you can draw any design here in the cap, inside the cap. So one is woolen cap, one is a cup of tea or coffee like this, and steam is coming out of it. Clear? Yes. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season. So what you can do? You can also write that name here. Monsoon. Monsoon season. Like this. Clear? So this is how you are going to do your today's work. First you are going to write date, your topic, and after that write the name of season and draw 2 pictures related to that season. It can be your clothing, it can be food, or the things you like to do in these seasons. So in summer you can draw a swimming pool where you are enjoying swimming. You can draw these things also. So draw whatever you feel like, and after drawing, please color them with using your pencil colors also. Is that clear to all of you? So class, I hope you have understood your today's EVS work also. So what work I'm going to assign you as homework? See, this work is to be done as your today's class work. Your homework is to learn them. I'm not giving you anything to write. Your today's homework is to learn these names, these spellings. Clear? So you have to learn the spelling of summer season. Then you have to learn rainy season, monsoon season. With that this, we'll start learning the spellings. And one tip which I want to give, when you are learning something, whenever you are learning, don't just rote memorize it. रटना नहीं है. See, here also I just told you winter, isn't it? Monsoon, rainy. So when you are learning these spellings with their phonic sounds, you will never make a mistake. Clear that? We have already completed lot of sounds, A, E, I. Nowadays we are doing O sound. So English mein I'm teaching you phonics. I'm teaching you phonics in English now. So what you have to do, just learn these names with their phonics. Is that clear to all of you? So if you will learn it like that, it will be easy for you to remember it also. Bye for now, and I'll meet you soon tomorrow with something new. Okay?